Hi everyone, Sherry here. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing from Vancasso. They sent me a set of 4 cereal bowls. So let's see what we have. So we have this box, and in this box we have another box. So it's packaged very well. I like that about this company. They make sure that it can ship to you without breakage. So let's get this opened. And in this box, we have styrofoam. Again, very well packaged. I want to be careful. I'm not exactly sure how it is packaged there. So it had styrofoam on the top and in the bottom. And here is the bowls. I have 4 of them. Aren't they pretty? They actually match the ramekins that I have. That's why I chose these. This is called the concave raindrop design. It has a deepened, widened, concave design. It is wider than the typical soup bowl. It is deeper than the typical pasta bowl. Let's measure it. The width across is about 7 inches, and the depth is about 2 1/4 inches. This can hold several different types of food. You can use it for cereal. You can use it for pasta. You can use it for fruit or salads, or even soup. Because it's made out of ceramic, it will retain the heat and keep the soup hotter longer. This is made with high-grade ceramic. What does that mean? It's scratch resistant. It doesn't absorb odor. So if you have a salad with onion in it, it will not absorb the smell of the onions. I love that idea. It is also dishwasher and microwave safe, and you can even put it into the oven. It is very multifunctional and very beautiful. Another nice feature that I like, and probably most people will agree with me, is the fact that they are stackable. So if you're like me, you have more stuff than space. So with these being able to stack, it takes up less room, which is a plus. I found out something really interesting about these bowls. It has a reactive glaze. The porcelain during the firing process gives unexpected color effect. What that means is that these bowls are going to be similar, but they're going to be unique. They won't exactly be the same. Now, this was considered a failure at first because they weren't exactly the same. But people like me, who like uniqueness, loved the idea that, yes, they look like a set of bowls, but there was subtle differences. So it became one of the most famous glazes. So there you have it. Beautiful, beautiful set of bowls. See the detail in it. It's almost a deep midnight blue with little light fringe-looking design circling the top. It has the Vancasso stamp on the bottom, so you know it's the real deal. So again, you can put anything in these. Soup, salads, fruits, cereal, ice cream, anything that your heart desires, you can use these bowls for, hot or cold. So I'll be making a couple of dishes and putting them in these bowls so you can see what a beautiful table setting that these can be. I'll see you in a little bit. So here are my cereal bowls from Vancasso, and you can use them many different ways. Here I have a spicy tomato soup and a bowl of fruit. I think these are beautiful. I definitely recommend them, and all the information is going to be in the description box below. This is Sherry from Cooking with Sherry. Until next time.